Are you planning to take the Master Plumber Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to Master Plumber Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully. Without further ado, let's start.
Shoutout po tayo. Shoutout po kay Michelin Socrates ng Palawan Polytechnic College Incorporated. Kay Pia Margaret Loqueña ng Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. Kay Patrick ng Technological University of the Philippines. Wala ka surname hahaha. Kay Janine Lorente ng Bicol University. Kay Nina Pearl Montefalco ng St. Louis University. At kay na, yung nag-message sa akin sa IG, wala kasi full name na nakalagay. Magparamdam ka kung mabasa mo tahahaha. Mula po sa kaibuturan ng aking puso, maraming salamat po. God bless Masters.
Question number 1. Based on the revised National Plumbing Code of the Philippines, one plumbing unit is composed of how many floor drain? Letter A, 1, letter B, 2, letter C, 3, letter D, 4. The answer is letter C, 3. Question number 2. How should asbestos found on site be prepared for disposal? Letter A, burnt, ensuring the ashes are safely sealed in containers. Letter B, labeled and sealed in containers. Letter C, placed in a designated building fabric skip. Letter D, kept damp. The answer is letter B, labeled and sealed in containers. Question number 3. Which of the following types of extinguisher would it be safe to use on a small electrical fire in an enclosed atmosphere? Letter A, water. Letter B, carbon dioxide. Letter C, dry powder. Letter D, foam. The answer is letter C, dry powder. Question number 4. What kind of valve is suited for the main water supply lines and pump lines? Letter A, gate valve. Letter B, relief valve. Letter C, globe valve. Letter D, butterfly valve. The answer is letter A, gate valve. Question number 5. This pipe material must not be exposed to ultraviolet rays. Letter A, PVC. Letter B, cast iron. Letter C, GI. Letter D, brass. The answer is letter A, PVC. Question number 6. Who must supply a plumber's personal protective equipment when working on site? Letter A, Health and Safety Officer. Letter B, Plumbing Employer. Letter C, Individual plumber. Letter D, site foreman. The answer is letter B, plumbing employer. Question number 7. What action should a plumber take if a fault on a gas meter is suspected? Letter A, advise the customer. Letter B, repair the fault. Letter C, contact the gas supplier. Letter D, turn off the supply. The answer is letter C, contact the gas supplier. Question number 8. What document would be needed when maintaining a water softener? Letter A, maintenance schedule. Letter B, installation program. Letter C, manufacturer's catalog. Letter D, manufacturer's instructions. The answer is letter D, manufacturer's instructions. Question number 9. This material is not used in the early days for receiving or catching rainwater. Letter A, earthenware. Letter B, well. Letter C, clay jars. Letter D, glass container. The answer is letter D, glass container. Question number 10. It is used to hold the suction valve. Letter A, area valve. Letter B, foot valve. Letter C, float valve. Letter D, isolation valve. The answer is letter B, foot valve. Question number 11. The purpose of a risk assessment is to blank. Letter A. Assess the levels of risk to safety of operatives that may be present in work operations. Letter B. Assess the extent of the risk that a particular job might result in a loss of profit to the company. Letter C. Assess the value of a customer's property for insurance purposes when damage has been caused to property. Letter D. Assess the possible costs of an insurance claim by operatives who have been injured at work. The answer is letter A. Assess the levels of risk to safety of operatives that may be present in work operations. Question number 12. Which of the following components is a plumber most likely to install? Letter A. Hot water storage vessel. Letter B. Air conditioning unit. Letter C. Refrigerated display cabinet. Letter D. Underground gas service. The answer is letter A. Hot water storage vessel. Question number 13. What piece of equipment would be the most appropriate for bending 20 mm low-carbon steel pipe? Letter A. External bending spring. Letter B. Stand bender. Letter C. Hydraulic press bender. Letter D. Internal bending spring. The answer is letter C. Hydraulic press bender. Question number 14. What information should be issued to a customer upon completion of a long-term planned maintenance contract? Letter A. Bill of quantities. Letter B. Material invoices. Letter C. Maintenance records. Letter D. Maintenance program. The answer is letter C. Maintenance records. Question number 15. EMB is the national authority in the Philippines that sets air and water quality standards and monitors ambient and point source pollutants. It manages hazardous and toxic wastes under the Toxic Substances, Hazardous and Nuclear Waste Control Act and implements the Philippine Environmental Impact Assessment System. EMB stands for blank. Letter A. Environment Management Board. Letter B. Environment Management Bureau. Letter C. Environmental Management Board. Letter D. Environmental Management Bureau. The answer is letter D. Environmental Management Bureau. Question number 16. It is the standard pressure in NAWASA. Letter A. 85 psi. Letter B. 60 psi. Letter C. 50 psi. Letter D. 75 psi. The answer is letter B. 60 psi. Question number 17. When a ladder provides access to a working platform, how much of the ladder must extend above the access point? Letter A. 4 rungs. Letter B. 3 rungs. Letter C. 5 rungs. Letter D. 6 rungs. The answer is letter C. 5 rungs. Question number 18. Which of the following labels would not be expected if the substance were hazardous to health? Letter A. Very toxic. Letter B. Irritant. Letter C. Corrosive. Letter D. Smells. The answer is letter D. Smells.
Question number 19. The 3 elements that all fires require are blank. Letter A. Fuel, heat and light materials. Letter B. Heat, air and oxygen. Letter C. Fuel, air and oxygen. Letter D. Fuel, oxygen and heat. The answer is letter D. Fuel, oxygen and heat. Question number 20. On an accident report form, which one of the following is not required? Letter A. Name of the parent or guardian. Letter B. Name of the injured person. Letter C. Location of the accident. Letter D, date of the accident. The answer is letter A, name of the parent or guardian. Question number 21. When 1 liter of LPG is boiled or evaporated, it becomes how many liters of gas? Letter A, 150 liters. Letter B, 250 liters. Letter C, 350 liters. Letter D, 450 liters. The answer is letter B, 250 liters. Question number 22. It sets the criteria of joining pipes. Letter A, ASTM. Letter B, ASPE. Letter C, IAPMO. Letter D, ANSI. The answer is letter C, IAPMO. Question number 23. A panicked customer has called to report a water leak. What should a plumber's first action be? Letter A, inform the customer that they will be on site as soon as possible. Letter B, advise the customer to try to somehow plug the leak. Letter C, tell them to call their water company. Letter D, advise the customer to turn off the water. The answer is letter D, advise the customer to turn off the water. Question number 24. It is the accreditation number for the plumbing practice. Letter A, accreditation number 9. Letter B, accreditation number 10. Letter C, accreditation number 13. Letter D, accreditation number 14. The answer is letter D, accreditation number 14. Question number 25. Based on the National Building Code of the Philippines, one plumbing unit is composed of how many floor drains? Letter A, 1. Letter B, 2. Letter C, 3. Letter D, 4. The answer is letter B, 2. And that's all for this set. Now, put your score in the comment section. If you find this video interesting and informative, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thank you and good luck future master plumbers.